Hello all and welcome to TVM Academy. This is a quick course update. Our VRC Ultima, a 90-day fast track intensive program for CAT VRC section, starts on 12th of August. If you are somebody who has been struggling with the VRC section, who narrows it down to two options but does not know, always gets it wrong, in the last stage of answer selection. If you are somebody who forgets the first paragraph when reading the third paragraph. If you are someone who does not understand the main idea, even if you understand the entire passage, if you are someone who uh, whose basic English language skills are in place, yet you are not performing well, you do not understand the nuances between two options, this course is probably for you. Please watch this video till the end. What is VRC Ultima? It's a fast track intensive course for CAT VRC section. It is focused exclusively on the VRC concepts required for CAT, all the essential concepts for CAT exam. Complete VRC curriculum for the CAT exam will be taken care of. All question types that figure on the CAT will be taken care of, along with regular practice tests, long format and short format practice tests. Live classes will be conducted 5 days a week, at least 5 days a week. It can go up to 6 days a week as well. Methodical, logic-based pedagogy will be followed. Uh, we do not believe in shortcuts. We believe in methodical techniques. And yes, there are techniques to understand the nuances between two options. There are techniques to locate the main idea rather than getting lost in the sea of information that a passage offers. And there are techniques to understand the style of writing. There are techniques to enhance your reading speed without actually working on speed reading techniques. So there are other techniques which help you do that. There are techniques for breaking down a passage into its core components. So all this will be taken care of. If you are someone who's looking for those extra tips which can help you enhance your score and boost it, if you are stuck at, let's say, 80-85 percentile, and you want that extra practice and extra understanding of the VRC skills or techniques, then this course is probably ideal for you. Now we are going to focus on skill development and skill enhancement. Broadly, 3 skills are going to be the focus of this course: analytical reading skills, critical thinking skills, and verbal reasoning skills. So all those inference-based questions and CR-based questions that you might be getting wrong will be the focus of this course. What are the total inclusions? The course can be divided into 3 parts or 3 sections. Concept component. We will discuss all the essential VRC concepts for CAT. So all the question types, be it RC main idea, parajumbles, what are the techniques to solve these question types, different question types will be discussed, all of them. We will also be able to discuss more than 500 demonstrative practice questions in the live classroom during the concept discussions. After which you will be writing topic-wise mini tests on this particular topic. So topic by topic mini tests. This is the concept component. Parallelly, we'll work on rigorous practice, intensive practice, to which end you will be given access to more than 25 VRC long format booster tests, which include 10 sectional mocks. Now, each booster test will be followed by a live discussion session in which you can ask your doubts so that I understand the reasoning process that you applied, that you employed, and get an insight into your thought patterns and maybe guide you better. In all, we will be able to practice more than 1,000 high quality VRC questions through this practice component, through these booster tests. Additionally, you'll get access to recordings of all live classes. You'll also get access to strategy sessions. I generally do not use the word strategy, but yes, essentially exam taking techniques. So which questions to select, how to go about, in which order should you attempt the VRC questions, etc. All these exam taking strategy sessions will be part of the course. Then guidance and support till CAT, of course, 24/7 doubt resolution group. All this will be part of the course. Duration of the course is 3 months, 90-day program for the last lap of CAT. Now, this is the class schedule, Monday to Saturday, 9 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Official time 10:30. Generally, the classes go till 11. So please make sure you are well informed. You make a well informed choice, 9 to 11 p.m. Though recordings will be made available. The entire course syllabus looks like this. If you're interested in understanding what are the different topics that will be covered, that we will cover, you can pause the video here. How does the course progress? So, two parts. In the schedule, you could see there are concept sessions and then there are booster sessions. So concept sessions, a live class on a particular concept is conducted, which is followed by recording upload, and you practice a worksheet on that particular topic, after which you write a module test, a mini module test on the same topic. Parallelly, we'll have long format, total VRC practice, rigorous practice, which are called VRC booster tests. You write a booster test, you come for a live discussion session, you discuss your doubts on that booster test, recording will be uploaded for analysis purposes where you're going wrong. The portal will also provide the detailed analytics of the test, so that you understand subject-wise analytics, topic-wise analytics, then time-wise analytics. So all three sections you understand whether you are spending more time or less time, which is your strength, which is which question type is your strength, which is your weakness, etc. Some CAT 23 results. Now they are most of them have taken admissions in. So I am Ahmedabad, Sahil, for example, FMS Chitranchi. So all of them are well settled now. Overall CAT results look like this. We had phenomenal year last year. All those who reported the results last year, 55% of them scored more than 90 percentile in the VRC section. 40% of them scored more than 95 percentile in the VRC section, which is a great score, which is essentially 8 times the mathematical average. Now, our CAT 22 results also looked phenomenal. All B school selections, A, B, C, every B school you have selections. Now, who should enroll? Guys, if you are somebody who's struggling with the VRC section, this course is for you. Somebody looking for the final boost. If your percentile scores have stagnated, let's say, and they are around 80-85 percentile, then this course is for you. Aspirants who are looking for good practice questions under guided mentorship, this is for you. If you're a CAT repeater who is looking to refresh the entire VRC section and maybe plug the last gaps, last holes which remain in the VRC skill, your VRC skills, this course is for you. Now, night classes are also, there because there are many working professionals who would like to enroll. So this course is also for you if you're looking for end-to-end preparation for these last 3 months. If you're enrolled elsewhere, but are not fully satisfied with your VRC performance or the VRC, teaching style, teaching methodology, this course is for you. Let me tell you, there's a lot to understand in VRC. It's not as if, it's not many. There's a common misconception that you practice more and you read RCs and you automatically get better. That is only partly true. There are techniques also that you have to understand. So, but again, as usual, as I say for every course, we expect learners to have a basic level in English language, basic level of skills. If your basic English skills are not in place, then probably this course is not for you. We are not going to teach basic English. We are going to teach VRC section in particular, tough RCs, etc., everything. Finally, this is the course link. It will also be shared in the description box and the comment section of this video. If you have inquiries, you can post them to our public Telegram group. This is the link this is the link to the Telegram group. What is the course fees? The course MRP is 8,000. Currently, it will be offered at 5,999. And additionally, if you enroll before 11th of August, you can avail of early enrollment benefit, additional benefit of 1,000. So effective course fees for those of you who enroll before the 11th of August, it will be 4,999. It will strictly not be applicable after 11th of August. Make sure that you enroll before that, after which the course price will be at least 5,999. It will not be offered at 4,999. It's a one-time price for this course. Thank you very much. Hope to see you in the classes. All the best for your preparation as we enter this last lab.